My name is Nicoletta and I'm an immigration advisor at Lex Legal. Today I'm going to speak about the sponsorship license because recently many employers contacted us and asked some advice on how they will be able to sponsor skilled migrants from 2021. In this video I'm going to go through the eligibility, suitability requirements and also the actual application process. So in terms of eligibility, you need to be a UK trading employer and show that you're actively trading lawfully here. Secondly, you don't have to be in breach of immigration rules and committed some criminal offenses mainly related, for example, with immigration issues or money fraud or something similar. So as you can see, this is quite straightforward. Second, you have to be suitable, so you need to convince the Home Office that you meet the suitability requirements. This is why it is worth to check some legal advice and consider whether your actual HR system it will be adequate for Home Office or you may need to make some changes. You'll need to show that you have an adequate system to enable you to comply with your sponsor duties and check and maintain all the records or the migrant or the skilled immigrant. So, for example, you may need to check to make a calendar where you can notice the expiry date of a visa, so you can comply and make sure that the skilled immigrant is not an overstayer in the United Kingdom. So, for example, putting an alert 1 month before the visa expires. Also, you'll need to check the attendance of the skilled migrants. So you need to have a sign-in and sign-off system. Secondly, you also need to correspond with the Home Office and report any anomalies or something is wrong. And you need to have a system where you maintain accurately all the details, such as the documents and the contact details of the sponsored employee. Once you made sure that you have this, you have a suitable system to maintain all of this record, then you need to see who in your organization will be the key contact with Home Office. So it has to be a suitable person, it has to be in a senior position and of course have not spent any criminal conviction, especially related to immigration or some frauds. Also, this person can be one person or two person because it will be like 3 types. Someone who will be in contact with the UKVI, who will manage the sponsor management system. So you will need to spend some time on deciding who might be. It has to be someone who is employed in your organization and not from outside. Lastly, before applying, you need to check relevant supporting documents. So you'll need 4 supporting documents. Apart the covering letter where will you explain why you need a sponsorship license, which type of position you miss, and why you'd need to employ someone outside of the United Kingdom. For example, you may advertise the position in advance and according to the rules required by the Home Office. And also you need additional 4 documents showing that you're a UK legally trading business. It can be different and it depends on the size of the business. It can be, for example, the VAT registration, some bank statements, or maybe the employer liability insurance or the recent annual reports. You need to be careful because if you're a certain particular type of business, you may have some additional description and you need to check the Home Office appendix, and of course we can assist in doing this and determine which one it may be more suitable for you. So once you at this point you may be ready to start the application. The application is online and you will need to first complete the online application, download it and then send it within 5 working days to Home Office. There is an exception at the moment. While in the past, before the coronavirus, you had to send to the Home Office certified copies, at the moment you can send emails, and which is really like make your life easier. The fee for this application, the home office fee, it depends on the size of the business. So if you're a small limited or medium limited company, it's around £560, while if you're a large business, it's 1,476. I'm not sure, but it's roughly this fee. If you need if this application is successful, it will be granted for 4 years. So even if you pay like not a small fee, but you need to consider that you will be able to sponsor employees for 4 years. This process may take up to 8 weeks, so it is encouraged to apply in advance. And you need to consider that the home office may visit your office. So it's really worth to contact an immigration advisor and see if you can comply with all the duties, because the home office also may conduct an interview with you. And of course, you need to get ready for the interview. These were the main things. There are other details, but it will be too long. I hope it just helped you to get an idea. And if you require any help with this type of application, we can help you. As a legal representative, we can help you through the documents and also the application form, but we cannot submit the application on your behalf because this is the requirement from home office. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you need further information, let us know. Thank you!